1. Like,
What do you like to drink?
I like to drink water.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat bread.
What do you like to read?
I like to read books.
What do you like to play?
I like to play soccer.
What do you like to watch?
I like to watch movies.
What do you like to listen to?
I like to listen to music.
What do you like to wear?
I like to wear glasses.
What do you like to drive?
I like to drive a car.
What do you like to speak?
I like to speak English.
What do you like to study?
I like to study math.
2. Want.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy clothes.
What do you want to sell?
I want to sell coffee.
What do you want to clean?
I want to clean the house.
What do you want to wash?
I want to wash the dishes.
What do you want to write?
I want to write letters.
What do you want to open?
I want to open the window.
What do you want to close?
I want to close the door.
What do you want to use?
I want to use a computer.
What do you want to ride?
I want to ride a bike.
What do you want to cook?
I want to cook dinner.
3. Need.
What do you need to make?
I need to make tea.
What do you need to paint?
I need to paint pictures.
What do you need to sing?
I need to sing songs.
What do you need to dance?
I need to dance tango.
What do you need to plant?
I need to plant trees.
What do you need to help?
I need to help people.
What do you need to visit?
I need to visit museums.
What do you need to send?
I need to send emails.
What do you need to save?
I need to save money.
What do you need to fix?
I need to fix the clock.
4. Try.
What do you try to take?
I try to take photos.
What do you try to bring?
I try to bring a bag.
What do you try to carry?
I try to carry a phone.
What do you try to see?
I try to see the bird.
What do you try to hear?
I try to hear the noise.
What do you try to feel?
I try to feel the heat.
What do you try to smell?
I try to smell the flowers.
What do you try to taste?
I try to taste the soup.
What do you try to remember?
I try to remember the name.
What do you try to understand?
I try to understand the lesson.
5. Love.
What do you love to choose?
I love to choose a color.
What do you love to share?
I love to share the link.
What do you love to check?
I love to check the time.
What do you love to follow?
I love to follow the rules.
What do you love to answer?
I love to answer the phone.
What do you love to call?
I love to call my mom.
What do you love to meet?
I love to meet friends.
What do you love to join?
I love to join the club.
What do you love to save?
I love to save the file.
What do you love to print?
I love to print the document.
6. Hate.
What do you hate to lose?
I hate to lose the game.
What do you hate to break?
I hate to break the vase.
What do you hate to drop?
I hate to drop the glass.
What do you hate to pay?
I hate to pay the bill.
What do you hate to rent?
I hate to rent an apartment.
What do you hate to borrow?
I hate to borrow a pen.
What do you hate to miss?
I hate to miss the flight.
What do you hate to smoke?
I hate to smoke cigarettes.
What do you hate to clean?
I hate to clean the house.
What do you hate to forget?
I hate to forget the keys.
7. Have.
What do you have to teach?
I have to teach history.
What do you have to start?
I have to start the work.
What do you have to finish?
I have to finish the project.
What do you have to build?
I have to build a house.
What do you have to throw?
I have to throw the ball.
What do you have to catch?
I have to catch the bus.
What do you have to push?
I have to push the cart.
What do you have to pull?
I have to pull the rope.
What do you have to lift?
I have to lift the box.
What do you have to hold?
I have to hold the baby.
8. Intend.
What do you intend to buy?
I intend to buy clothes.
What do you intend to change?
I intend to change my shoes.
What do you intend to prepare?
I intend to prepare breakfast.
What do you intend to serve?
I intend to serve food.
What do you intend to search?
I intend to search for information.
What do you intend to lock?
I intend to lock the gate.
What do you intend to park?
I intend to park the car.
What do you intend to leave?
I intend to leave the party.
What do you intend to stay?
I intend to stay at the hotel.
What do you intend to use?
I intend to use a computer.
9. Expect.
What do you expect to win?
I expect to win the prize.
What do you expect to receive?
I expect to receive a package.
What do you expect to find?
I expect to find the wallet.
What do you expect to see?
I expect to see the bird.
What do you expect to hear?
I expect to hear the noise.
What do you expect to learn?
I expect to learn French.
What do you expect to know?
I expect to know the answer.
What do you expect to believe?
I expect to believe the story.
What do you expect to keep?
I expect to keep the secret.
What do you expect to get?
I expect to get a gift.
10. Know how to. What do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook dinner.
What do you know how to drive?
I know how to drive a car.
What do you know how to play?
I know how to play soccer.
What do you know how to fix?
I know how to fix the clock.
What do you know how to use?
I know how to use a computer.
What do you know how to speak?
I know how to speak English.
What do you know how to paint?
I know how to paint pictures.
What do you know how to ride?
I know how to ride a bike.
What do you know how to save?
I know how to save the file.
What do you know how to print?
I know how to print the document.